Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add your GitHub profile link to your resume. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on the GitHub main page, and then from here we're going to go to our profile. Now we're going to click on your profile, and from here as you can see this is it. And if you want to copy the link, simply go to here and then copy it, and then copy right there. Once you do that, you're going to go to your Word. Then you're going to open your resume. It can be either on Word or on your Google Docs, wherever you are engineering it. And then from here, as you can see, we have the contact information. And from here, we're simply going to replace this link with our GitHub link. And as you can see, you can either write it like this, or you can replace the HTTPS with www.github.com/your username. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.